Welcome, friends. Every morning, stepping out of bed can feel like a negotiation with your own body, as if your legs have a mind of their own. At age 60, balance is no longer a given. Today we will learn how to oil those rusty hinges and transform your legs into deep roots. We want to ensure that you never have to fear a misstep or a fall again, building a foundation as solid as a mountain of stone. I am here to guide you through 5 golden exercises designed specifically for your needs. Let us reclaim your independence and confidence together right now. Think of this as a daily investment in your freedom. Your legs are the pillars of your life, and they deserve this special care and attention. Sometimes we feel like this rusty hinge, stiff and resistant to movement. But even the oldest metal can be made smooth again with the right oil. Movement is the oil for your joints. By performing these simple exercises, you are lubricating your hips, knees, and ankles for a much smoother ride. Imagine your body becoming fluid and responsive again. It is not about speed, but about the quality of every single movement you make each day. Strengthen your legs equals independence in your golden years. It means being able to walk to the park or play with your beloved grandchildren. Today we start the journey of turning your legs into those deep tree roots. Let us begin with our first balance challenge of the session. Remember, every small effort counts. You are doing this for your future self, ensuring a life full of movement and free from the fear of falling. Exercise number 5 is called the tandem walk. Imagine you are a tightrope walker, but with the safety of your own living room floor beneath. Place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other. Your feet should form a perfectly straight line on the ground. This narrow base of support challenges your brain to find its center. It wakes up the sensory receptors located deep within the soles of your feet. Take a slow step forward. Feel the weight shift from the back foot to the front. The chair is right there if you feel any wobbling. Focus on a point in front of you. This helps your visual system assist your inner ear in maintaining the balance of your entire body. Now, try stepping backward. This is even more challenging for the brain, as it cannot rely as much on your forward-facing vision for guidance. Your brain is hard at work, mapping the ground and adjusting your muscles. You are literally rewiring your nervous system for better stability and control. This simple walk helps the brain accurately identify where the ground is, reducing that feeling of uncertainty when you walk on uneven surfaces outside. Excellent work. You have just completed the first step toward a steadier you. Take a moment to feel the connection between your feet and floor. The tandem walk is a classic for a reason. Practice this daily along a hallway or a kitchen counter for the best possible results over time. Keep your breathing steady and your heart calm. Balance is as much about your state of mind as it is about your physical muscle strength. Moving on to exercise number 4, the single leg stance. We often call this the stork pose because of its elegant and steady nature. Slowly lift your left foot. Hold your weight on the right leg. Imagine that right leg is a trunk of a tree sinking into the earth. We will aim to hold this for 30 seconds. If you feel shaky, use the chair for support. It is perfectly okay to start slow. Notice how your ankle makes tiny adjustments. This is your body's natural balance mechanism, working exactly as it should to keep you upright and safe. Now switch legs. Lift the right foot and stand tall on the left. Keep your hips level and your core muscles gently engaged for extra stability. Nature teaches us that stability can be found in stillness. By standing on one leg, you are forcing your stabilizing muscles to become much stronger. Stay tall. Do not let your body lean too much to the side. Use your breath to help you stay centered and calm during the hold. As you get better, try using only one finger for balance, or eventually, try letting go of the chair entirely for a few seconds at once. You are doing great. This exercise is the gold standard for predicting and preventing falls in seniors. Keep practicing this every single morning at home. 30 seconds on each side is our goal. This simple act builds the confidence you need to navigate stairs and busy sidewalks with total ease. Let us transition to our third movement. We have worked on forward and static balance. Now let us look at the strength of our hips. Exercise number 3, the side leg raise. This movement targets the muscles on the outer part of your hips, which are vital for side-to-side stability. Slowly lift your right leg out to the side. Keep your back straight and your standing legs slightly bent. Avoid leaning away from the moving leg. These hip muscles act as anchors, They prevent you from tipping over if someone accidentally bumps into you, or if you have to turn suddenly. Controlled movements are key. Do not swing your leg. Instead, use your strength to lift it. Feel the muscles working hard to support your frame. Now, the left side. Notice if one side feels stronger than the other. This awareness helps you understand your body's unique balance and strength patterns. Keep your breathing natural. Inhale as you lower the leg, and exhale as you lift. This rhythm keeps your muscles oxygenated and your mind focused.
You are doing wonderful. Your hips are becoming the strong anchors they were meant to be. This is how we'll build a body that lasts.
Strong outer hips mean you can handle the unpredictable world outside. Whether it is a crowded market or a busy street, you will stay upright. Take a deep breath. We are training your body to react quickly and efficiently. You are becoming more resilient with every single repetition you complete. Side leg raises are a simple but powerful tool. You can even do these while waiting for your morning tea to boil in the kitchen. Now, let us focus on what I like to call the second heart of the body, your calves and your flexible, strong ankle joints. Exercise number 2, heel and toe raises. This exercise is fantastic for ankle mobility and boosting the circulation in your lower legs and feet. Rise up onto your toes, as high as you comfortably can. Feel the strength in your calves. This power helps you push off the ground. Now, lower your heels and lift your toes. This part is crucial for preventing trips, as it helps your feet clear obstacles like rug edges. Find a rhythm, like the waves of the sea. Up on the toes, then back on the heels. Smooth, continuous movement is what we want here. Your calf muscles help pump blood back up to your heart. By doing this, you are improving your overall cardiovascular health, while also building balance. Flexible ankles mean you can navigate uneven curves and stairs with confidence. You are training your feet to be responsive and agile in any situation. Imagine the joint fluid moving through your ankles, lubricating them for the day ahead. This is how we keep our hinges moving perfectly and freely. Wonderful work. Just one more golden exercise to go. You are doing an incredible job of taking care of your physical and mental well-being. Practicing this while brushing your teeth or washing dishes is a great way to incorporate balance training into your busy daily routine very easily. We have reached the king of all balance exercises. This one is vital for your ability to get up and move around independently every day. Exercise number 1, the chair squat. This movement mimics one of the most common and important actions we perform in our daily lives. Stand up slowly. Use the power of your thighs and glutes. Imagine you are pushing the floor away from you with the soles of your feet. Now, the most important part, the descent. Slowly lower yourself back toward the chair. Do not just drop down, control the entire movement with care. Control is strength. The slower you go, the more you challenge your muscles to grow. This is how we build real-world power for your legs. This targets the teardrop-shaped muscle near your knee, which is essential for joint stability. A strong knee is a knee that does not fail you. Up 2, 3, and down 2, 3. Keep that steady pace. You are building the foundation of your physical freedom with every single rep. Feel the warmth in your muscles. That is the feeling of growth and improvement. You are proving to yourself that you are still strong and capable. If you need to use your hands for a little boost, that is perfectly fine. The goal is to eventually rely solely on your leg strength. Magnificent job. The chair squat is your ticket to staying mobile for decades to come. Make it a staple of your daily routine at home. You have completed the 5 golden exercises. Take a moment to appreciate what your body has just done for you during this short session today. Remember, balance is not a final destination, but a journey. It is something we must nurture and practice every single day of our lives. Be patient with yourself. Some days you will feel as steady as a rock, and other days you might feel a little bit more wobbly. Always listen to your body's signals. If you ever feel sharp pain, especially in your joints, stop immediately and consult with your trusted doctor. Your safety is the top priority. Ensure your environment is clear of clutter and that you have a stable surface to hold on to at all times. You have the power to change your future. Every step you took today has made you a little bit more secure and a lot more independent. May your steps always be firm and your heart always be light. I am so proud of the work you have put in today for yourself. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, stay strong, stay balanced, and keep moving forward with confidence and a beautiful smile on your face. It is never too late to start. Your body is capable of amazing things if you just give it the chance to prove its own resilience. Go out and enjoy the world. Your new roots will keep you safe as you walk through the beautiful journey of your wonderful golden years. Take care of your health, for it is your greatest wealth. See you in the next session for more tips on living your best life. Goodbye for now, my friends. Keep those legs strong and your spirit even stronger as you enjoy every single moment of your day today.